I actually don't hate this short at all. I will try to short this. If I can get filled on the ask, I will short this. It's pretty spready. It's actually quite spready, so I don't want to. I can't just short the bid. If it fills me on this ask up here, though, I will short it. Oh, the bid is pushing up. 12.89 is my order. Ah. I might leave it alone now because I'm going to like it less if it candle over candles. I don't mind this short at all. I mean, I tried to take it. I'll leave it alone for a second. You're also just getting, I mean, my risk there was like 13.10. You're risking like 20 cents up for a potential 50, 60 cents down. Fuck, it is failing too. It's unfortunate we didn't get filled. But I couldn't, I mean, it's spready. I couldn't just short the bid. It's, I mean, shit, right now it's got a 24-cent spread. It is failing too. Look at that. I'd probably cover here. I would cover here. We would have just made $35, $39 if we got filled. Well, that's a shame, chat. That's a nice $39 win right there. Overstock shares are trading higher for the company reported Q4 earnings. Okay. This is a nice breakout, followed by a pullback. Here's previous resistance zone. Trying to get filled overstock here. It's actually, I was going to say I could just buy the ask. It's overstock, but it's actually a little spready. It's actually a 10, 15 cent spread. Of course, it's not going to fill me and it's going to bounce. Ya bastard. Cool. Cool no fill there again. Our STRN trade is still just not doing anything. Great. Great no fill there. Couple of rough no fills this morning. That actually this morning could have been a really nice morning. There's another no fill. I'm watching overstock VWAP. Oh, long 4601 overstock. I actually tried to move my order up there and I got filled. VWAP is currently 45.6. So that's my stop loss, obviously. See if overstock can find support here. Had a really nice run after earnings. Well, most of it came after its conference call, but really nice push up this morning after earnings. Pulling back to VWAP out of the gate. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Would love to be selling up to 47. That would be great. That would be great. Are we going to get a chance to do that? It's not looking great here. Wee. There we go. There we go, overstock. Come on now. Turn it around, big boy. Let's go. Let's go for a run, overstock. You're on a nice gap up here. You're a nice strong stock. Let's go. At least it's holding, at least VWAP is support. So at least, whether this works or not, I can be proud of myself for buying this here. All right, out half at 46.5. That was awesome. Out second half, 47.32. Great trade. Great trade. Maybe I sold too early, but I don't care. My profit target was 47. KOD just pushed up to VWAP on us. Hello? I'm short KOD. Once again, only 25 shares. Small position at 11.32. Stock, once again, got crushed. FDA failed drug. Pushing its way up to VWAP. And is still, luckily enough, still easy to borrow on TOS, which is surprising. But just shorted the bid that time. Made sure I got filled. Would like this thing to push back down here towards 1080. We'll see. We'll see. I'm only in 25 shares. Just a small position. Just don't trust it a whole lot. This is showing good relative strength, but... Come on. I need this to break down, like, faster, honestly. There we go. There we go. That's more like it. That's more like it, my friend. That is more like it's KOD. Overstock back at high a day. True. SPY can't make up its mind. Look at the S&P right now. It's just gross chop. Gross chop. I'm going to try to cover half here. Out half. Well, a little bit less than half at 11.11 of this KOD trade. Still in 15 shares short. So, not much at all now. But small position trades on this. Wow. Well, maybe I covered those 10 shares just a half second too early. Look at that candle. It's exactly where I said I wanted it. Right back to this low. Really, really, really sick short there. I'm watching KOD here. Watching KOD here. Would love to be shorting 1050. I'm going to get a starter here. Starter 1040 KOD. Starter 1040. Stock broke lows. This is a breakout retest just to the short side, right? This is a trigger candle. This is a candle breaking low of day on volume that is double the average of the last 15 bars. This is exactly how I trade to the long side, right? Except to the short side. Let's flip the chart over. Does this look like my breakout retest strategy at all? Diverted funds to the demon of demons, SQs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I mean, if you want to play 3x, semiconductor ETFs and you think semis are going to keep going down, you can go to SOXS. How do you flip the chart? Put a minus symbol in front of your ticker. Minus KOD, just flips it. That's a fun. I don't really know if it's useful at all, but maybe if you only trade longs and you're struggling to find shorts, flip it over. Does this look like a good long to you? Looks like a decent little long to me. So I'll short it. We're up a little. We're up a little, KOD. Can't believe this stock is still easy to borrow on TOS. I'm happy it is. Would love to be covering towards 1020. It helps you a lot. Good. Nice. Pro tips with Trey. This once again might be a small win because I never got a chance. I was actually willing to add more into this, but I'm actually going to take this here. I'm actually out at 1030. I'm going to get out at the bottom of this and keep an eye on it for another bounce back up. That was a small win, yes, but once again, proud of the way I traded it, no matter how many shares I'm trading. I was willing, this time, this was a real starter, and I was willing to add up towards 1070. But it just went down, so whatever. I'll just take the starter profits and then keep an eye on it for a bounce in the future.